The village square was silent. The king stood weak before the shrine, his voice shaking. If no one goes, this village will die. Women were already crying. Children were thin and sick. Crops had failed. The gods had turned their backs. Then a small voice broke the silence. I will go. All heads turned. It was just a boy. Long before the curse, the village of Umuocha was peaceful. But greed entered quietly. Some villagers stole sacred offerings, lied at the ancestral shrine, used forbidden charms for wealth. The elders warned them. They laughed. Then the signs began. Rain stopped coming. Animals died mysteriously. Children fell sick. The river dried halfway. The chief priest finally spoke the truth. The ancestors are angry. The gods demand peace. But there was a condition. Someone must enter the evil forest. The forest no one returned from, and beg the ancestors face to face. No man volunteered. No warrior stepped forward. The king had no son. No prince to send. The village was doomed. The boy's name Obena. Not strong. Not famous. Just kind. He had lost his mother to the sickness. His father died during the famine. When he stepped forward, the elders shouted, "You will die." Obena answered quietly, "If I don't go, we all die anyway." His words broke the village. The king wept. The priest prepared Obena. White chalk on his face. Ancestral symbols on his chest. A small staff and palm leaves. At dawn, the boy walked alone into the evil forest. The forest was dark even in daylight. Trees twisted like cursed spirits. Whispers followed him. Shadows moved without bodies. Obena stumbled. He fell. Fear almost sent him back. Then he remembered the children crying. The empty barns. The dying king. He reached the ancestors' clearing. A cold wind rose. Voices surrounded him. "Why are you here, child?" Trembling, Obena knelt. He did not lie. He did not beg for himself.